In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reopen recently closed tabs in Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Safari web browser. Now I'm just gonna Google for some random website just to demonstrate you how it works. And then let's say I have accidentally closed the tab and now I'm wondering how I can reopen it. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just tap right here and then tap at plus to head over to Safari start page, where we can easily find recently closed tabs, and the recent closed tab will be at the very top position. We can also tap at show all to get the list of all our recently closed tabs, and that's where we can search for them. If on your Safari start page there are no recently closed tabs section, all you have to do is just scroll down to the very bottom, then tap at edit, and then make sure that the button next to recently closed tabs turned on. If it is toggled off, just tap on it to turn it on, and then if you go back to the start page, you will see the recently closed tabs here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.